get paid as a live chat assistant. We have an opening for someone from all countries to become a paid chat assistant starting right now. If you are interested and available, we can train you, work and get you your first paycheck within a few days. It's a simple job. You will be providing live chat support for various social media companies. So that means chatting with customers on Facebook and Instagram and helping them with their purchases. Pay hourly, $35 an hour. This is a remote job, so you can do it from anywhere in the world. You will need an internet connection, a tablet or laptop to work, and a minimum availability of 5 hours per week. And also, the enthusiasm to get stuck and earn yourself extra money. If you have your own social media accounts and know how to use the messaging features of them, then you're good to go. We will provide you with all other necessary training. If you are interested, please let us know. Click here to apply now.